Hello students, welcome back to the online session of DC machines and transformer. In previous video we have seen the basic principle of transformer. Today we are going to discuss about different types of transformer. So let's start with the content. So first is introduction, classification of transformer and the types of transformer. So first move to the introduction. There are several types of transformer are used in the electrical power system for different purpose, like in power generation, distribution and transmission and utilization of electrical power. So the transformers are classified based on voltage levels, core medium used, winding arrangement used and the installation place etc. Here we discuss different types of transformers, the step up and step down transformer, distribution transformer, potential transformer, power transformer, single phase and three phase transformer, auto transformer, etc. So let's discuss the transformer based on voltage level. So the transformer are classified as step up transformer and step down transformer. So let's start with the step up transformer. As the name suggests that the secondary voltage is stepped up with a ratio compared to the primary voltage. This can be achieved by increasing the number of turns or winding in secondary side as compared to the primary side. You can see in figure here the number of turns in secondary winding is more than the primary winding. In a power plant, this type of transformers are used which are connected to the generator at the grid. The next is the step down transformer. It is used to step down the voltage level from higher to lower level at the secondary side as shown in figure. So that it is called as a step down transformer. The number of turns in secondary winding is less as compared to the primary winding. In distribution networks, the step down transformer is commonly used to convert the high voltage to the low voltage that can be used for the home appliances. Now, the transformer based on the core and medium, they are classified into two parts, air core and iron core. Let's start air core transformer. From figure you can see both the primary and secondary winding are wound on a non-magnetic strip where the flux linkage between primary and secondary winding is through the air. Compared to iron core, the mutual inductance is less in air core. That is, the reluctance offered to the generated flux is high in the air medium, but the stresses and eddy current losses are completely eliminated in air core type transformer. The next is iron core transformer, in which both the primary and secondary windings are wound on a multiple iron plate bunch which provides a perfect linkage path to the generated flux. You can see in figure. It offers less reluctance to the linkage flux due to the conductive and magnetic property of the iron. These are widely used transformer in which the efficiency is high compared to the air core type transformer. The next is the transformer based on the winding arrangement. So it is the auto transformer. Standard transformers have primary and secondary windings placed into two different directions, but in auto transformer windings, the primary and the secondary winding are connected to each other in series, both physically and magnetically as shown in figure, on a single common coil which forms both the primary and secondary winding, in which voltage is varied according to the position of secondary tapping on the body of the coil winding. Next is transformer based on usage. According to the necessity, these are classified as the power transformer, distribution transformer, measuring transformer and protection transformer. So first the power transformer. The power transformer are in big size, you can see in figure. They are suitable for high voltage greater than 33 kilovolt power transfer applications. It is used in power generating station and transmission substations. It has a high insulated level. The next is distribution transformer. We all have seen this type of transformers. So in order to distribute the power generated from the power generation plant to the remote location, these transformers are used. Basically, it is used for the distribution of electrical energy at low voltage is less than 33 kilovolt in industrial purpose and 440 to 220 volt for domestic purpose. It works at a low efficiency at 50 to 70%. They are in a small size, easy installation, low magnetic losses. It is not always fully loaded. Next is the measurement transformer, used to measure the electrical quantity like the voltage, current and power. These are classified as a potential transformer and current transformer. Next is the protection transformer. This type of transformer is used in protection purpose. The major difference between the measuring transformer and the protection transformer is accuracy. That means that the protection transformers are more accurate than the measuring transformers. You can see in the figure. So the next is the transformer based on the place of use. They are classified as an indoor and the outdoor transformer. So the indoor transformers are covered with a proper roof like as in the process industry. The outdoor transformers are nothing but the distribution transformer. So this is all about the different types of transformer. Here is the assignment question. Give the classification of transformer. Explain the power transformer. Explain the distribution transformer. See you in the next video session of DC machines and transformer with a new video. Thank you so much.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJB Electrical, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast.